There are many products available to choose folding saws, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best folding saws from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Corona RazorTooth. The Corona RazorTooth is a compact, aggressive, and fast saw. Its simple locking mechanism secures the sharp blade open while you're sawing or closed while the blade is stowed. The locking mechanism is cleverly placed at a far enough distance from your hand that it isn't likely that you will press it when using the saw. The ergonomic CO molded handle practically grabs your hand with its soft rubber grip, and there is also a large triangular-shaped opening where you can attach a lanyard. The razor-sharp curved blade is super aggressive, with a 7-inch 65 mm spring steel blade with a triple ground tooth pattern for penetrating tough bone and wood. This saw cut through a 4 to 1/2 inch diameter log in just 24 seconds, the fastest in our testing. The aggressive blade and ergonomic handle also noticeably reduced sawing fatigue. We found this saw to be the most fun to use, and we didn't want to put it down. Number 2. Rexbeti Heavy Duty. The Rexbeti Heavy Duty comes with an SK5 steel blade with staggered triple-cut teeth, a long rubber handle, and a lifetime warranty. Despite being one of the lowest-priced saws we tested, it performed super well, cutting through a 4 to 1/2 inch diameter log in 1 minute, 4 seconds. This saw's 11-inch long blade has no trouble shredding through 6 to 7-inch diameter branches. The locking mechanism is bright orange, making it simple to distinguish from the black handle grip, keeping you from accidentally folding or unfolding. For cutting larger diameter logs, the Rexbeti performs well and won't cost you an arm and a leg, as long as you're careful while sawing. With a longer blade comes less rigidity, which we noticed while testing the Rexbeti. Compared to triangular frame saws which provide a lot of support for the saw blade, the Rexbeti's blade doesn't quite have the stiffness necessary to cut bigger logs. Number 3. Opinel No. 12. The Opinel No. 12 has a simple, elegant design and was one of the highest quality saws we tested. Weighing in at under 4 ounces, this lightweight saw comes with an attractive and ergonomic French beechwood handle. The carbon steel blade comes in either a 5-inch or 7-inch length, designed to cut up to 3.15-inch or 4-inch diameter branches. The ViroBlock safety ring, designed by Marcel Opinel in 1955, locks the blade in both the sawing and folded positions. You might be pleasantly surprised at how quickly this small saw slices through the wood. At 20 seconds per 2.5-inch diameter branch, you'll have a fire going in no time. It is a little pricey for such a small saw, but we found the high quality of the Opinel impressive. The length of the blade somewhat limits its use, so it may not be the best choice for cutting larger diameter pieces of wood. Number 4. Agawa Boreal21. Out of the open frame saws we tested, the Agawa Boreal21 was the easiest to assemble. Once assembled, it was the fastest open frame saw, cutting through a 4 to 1/2-inch diameter log in just 30 seconds. It is also pretty lightweight, coming in at 18.7 ounces for the 21-inch saw, also available in 15 inches and 24 inches. The hardened stainless steel blade comes with an anti-rust coating and has double pointed rakers between sets of teeth, which clears wood chips and fibers, as you saw. The handle folds and snaps into place during assembly, without even needing to touch the blade. When unfolding, the spring action does fling the blade out suddenly, necessitating some caution during disassembly. The Boreal21 is a breeze to saw with, thanks to the ease of assembly and rigid trapezium-shaped frame construction. Number 5. Wicked Tough Hand Saw. The Wicked Tough Hand Saw definitely lives up to its name. This burly saw comes with a wicked high carbon steel blade, which has a heavy gauge that resists bending and breaking. Its rugged cast aluminum handle is wrapped in a rubber grip with indentations for fingers, making it ergonomic and high friction. Surprisingly, its cutting time was on the slower side, at 1 minute, 16 seconds to see through a 4 to 1/2-inch diameter log. Sometimes you get what you pay for. The Wicked is on the pricier side, but its construction is also a little beefier. It comes with a scabbard that is pretty darn tough for tree work when you want your saw securely stored but easy to access. Unfortunately, the saw and the scabbard are a bit heavy, so this combo pack probably isn't the ticket for those in the market for a lightweight hand saw. Still, if you like burly gear that can take a beating, and weight isn't an issue, the Wicked was the toughest one of them all. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.